Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on buying Robux for your Roblox account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In the Roblox app, tap the Home button at the bottom left. On the home page, tap the gold Robux icon from the top right of the screen. This is the Robux buying screen. You can choose which Robux package you want to buy. You can also purchase a monthly subscription here. Select the package you want to buy and the payment window will appear. Since I am on an iPhone, it comes up with paying via Apple Pay, using whichever payment methods I have already added to Apple Pay. If you are on Android, it will be similar. You will be able to choose from different payment options. If the payment went through successfully, the Robux will be added to your account. You can see your balance at the top of this purchase page, or by going to your avatar screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.